The Victor Plug-In Rodent Repellent is fast-acting, humane, and easy to use. It uses a fresh mint scent to naturally drive away rodents. The plug-in warmer allows the fragrance to diffuse completely throughout large rooms, including basements and garages. To use your plug-in, start by removing the cap from the fragrance bottle. Next, with the flat side against the warmer, insert the fragrance bottle into the device until you hear it click into place. Plug the warmer upright into an outlet to prevent leaking. If your outlet is sideways, rotate the plug on the warmer. You can also control the fragrance intensity with an adjustable switch. For maximum fragrance, push the toggle all the way up. Push the switch down to decrease the scent intensity. Use the plugins anywhere signs of rodent activity are visible. Oils may collect on the warmer over time. If this happens, remove it from the outlet and wipe it with a dry cloth. Replace with a new fragrance bottle when you notice it is empty and the scent begins to fade. Fragrance bottles typically last up to 45 days.